Hello, I'm Kretz, and today I will be showing you how to use some basic tools that are in Google Calendars. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the calendar view and print the calendar that you're using, how to edit an event, how to invite guests to an event, how to create additional calendars, and how to modify calendar settings. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is showing you how to change the calendar view and print your calendar. So, changing the calendar view is fairly simple. All you have to do is come up to the right side of the search tool, and over here there will be a drop-down menu. Select the drop-down menu, and there will be several different ways that you can view your calendar. So, to print your calendar, all you have to do is use Control or Command P, and then this print menu will come up. If you want to change any of the settings on the calendar, everything is already here. Then you can just select print. The next thing I'll be showing you how to do is edit an event that is in a calendar. So to do this, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is select the event, and over here there will be a box showing you a bunch of different things you can do with the event. Towards the left side of the box there will be a button that if you hover over it will be labeled edit event. Select that, and as you can see, all of the settings for the event are here, including the name. So the next thing I'll be showing you how to do is invite guests to an event. This is also easy to do. All you have to do is come back to that event and click on it like you did before, and then come up to the top right side of that event box, and there will be a button that looks like a little message that if you select, you can send an email to somebody about this event asking them to come to it, and you can write them a message. So the next thing you can do is you can create a new calendar. So to do this, all you have to do is select this main menu button in the top left and come to My Calendars. So what you want to do when you come towards My Calendars, if you go to the right and up a little bit, there is a plus button. If you select this and then select New Calendar, that will allow you to make a new calendar. So the next thing you're able to do is modify calendar settings. And to do that, it is also fairly simple. All you have to do is come to the right side of your calendar, or find the calendar that you would like to edit and go to the far right side of it and select this options button, and then go to settings and sharing. And then all of the sharing and settings are in this list. If you want anything specific, you can come to this left side and say I want to see all of the notifications. Here they would be.